What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I haven't showed my regular worm bins for a little bit, so I figure I'll bring you along, show you how they're looking today. Okay, the lid's good. I see a little worm heading back down, but nothing really on the side, which is good. There's all my little roly-polies. Okay, anything going on? Just these guys. Okay. Yeah, you can see this is staying fairly moist. Now there's my marker. It's got a huge hole in it. This was the plate. So that's fine. They can keep eating away at that. Oh, I feel the corn. Oh, there's a little worm action in there. This was the husk from the corn. You can see it's just fine shreds now. This was from the grapes. There's nothing much left on that now. Oh, here's a piece that's still somewhat together of the husk. I don't know what skin this is. Okay, I gotta definitely get down here in those grooves. Give this a nice mixing. So I still need to blend up some more bedding. Newspaper, brown paper bags, cardboard. So I'm not going to add any of that just right now. But like what I did with the other bin, a buddy of mine had some frozen pumpkin, and I was able to cut up a few pieces to add to for the worm bins, and then also I added some to my compost pile. Give them some of that ground up eggshell. I'll cover that up. Then I got my worm chow mix. This was all expired stuff from the pantry. I ground up oatmeal, added flour, cornmeal, and a little bit of ground up eggshell to that mixture. I'm going to end up grinding this up again. So I'm going to leave this on the top. So hopefully if there's any worms in there, they can leave that. And then I'll be able to grind that up in the next couple weeks. Pop that right there in the center. So I try to get it side to side to keep that center moist. The outside dries up just a little bit, but that's okay. This was my original bin / former slug bin. And we'll quick hop in, I'll show you the other bin. And this bin is my 1 pound red wiggler bin. Like I was climbing up on the wall. You can hear the little roly-polies falling off and rolling around. Yeah, couple of nice ones in here. Like I said, this is my 1 pound red wiggler bin. I picked these up from Northeast Worms. You can see they're starting to munch on this and chew through it, which is fine. Last feeding should have been in the center also. I like feeding in the center because then it gives the worms an escape route to either side, and then as it cools off, the worms can come right back in, or if it's too acidic or whatever the case may be that would cause them to have to leave, they can go out and then come right back to it. Yeah, they're having a good time on that. Going to do the same thing when I pack this back up, leave this on top so any worms that are in it can go ahead and disperse throughout the bin. Now this husk was added the same time as the other one, and they're not messing with this as much. So I guess they have some other food in here that they were kind of going after. Oh my gosh. This is that pineapple top. When I fed it, when I went down to my brother's, I can't remember if it was in November or if it was in December. But that's all that's left of it now. Yeah, there's the core of it. Just about all the leaves are gone off the side. Oh, jackpot, baby. Meeting worms on a pineapple. Cool. I'll put that out for right now. Let them keep doing their thing. Okay, time to give this bed a good flipping, or give this bin a good flipping. Let me adjust the color here. Yes, I definitely need more bedding for this, and then I'll kind of do like a migration kind of method where I move the castings kind of to one corner of the bin, maybe 2/3, halfway, and add fresh bedding to the other side, and then just keep feeding the fresh bedding side to hopefully draw the worms. But yeah, this is going to be something that goes on in the next couple weeks. Like I said, I got to get enough cardboard and paper back around to do it. Woohoo! They get a little piece of cantaloupe. I am not adding all this moisture to this bin though. This one here is actually pretty good. Okay, so the pineapple top and that husk is back in the feeding area. Okay, a little ground eggshell. Go ahead, cover that up. Also add a scoop of the worm chow. Like I said, I'm just going to place, oh, you can't see it because this bin's up higher than the other one. Oh, or, duh, I zoomed in for the worm love-making scene. So I'll leave the corn off to the side. Any worms that are in that should hopefully start getting out, and then I can grind that up to add back to the worm bin. Today was a productive Worm Wednesday. I actually got to go through all the bins and show you guys what's going on with them. Like I said, these two that are down in the basement, they really haven't been shown too much recently, only because I was getting prepping done with that worm tower. Well, I was glad I had a productive Worm Wednesday to show you what all the bins are up to. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.